Hello everyone, this is Kim Horvath from Life Coach Office. This is a quick tutorial about how to use meeting reminders, how to edit them, how to turn them off and turn them on for yourself and for your clients. So the screen that you are looking at is the main screen when you log on. If you look to the right hand corner, these little gears here, when you click on that, it brings up another window and you'll see templates. Click that, and then you see meeting reminders. Let's go ahead in there. All right. Now, what you see on your screen are the different meeting reminders that are available through Life Coach Office. It is the actual meeting invitation. So when you set up a meeting in Life Coach Office, an invitation can automatically go out to whomever you are setting your meeting up with. There is the meeting reschedule, so if the date or time is changed, a new meeting reminder goes out to say, hey, we've rescheduled our meeting. Then there are meeting reminders 24 hours before and 1 hour before the meeting that are available, along with a meeting follow-up email. And that email is specifically to remind the person to go in and work in their coaching journal and fill out the form regarding your performance. So let's just go in to your meeting invitation, and we're going to do that by clicking the edit button. Now you can click the meeting invitation, that blue, that's the link, but we're going to click right here to the edit. What I love about Life Coach Office is that it is pretty self-explanatory. When you pull it up, you will see this blue window here, and it simply says this: get a copy of all meeting reminder emails sent to your client by setting notification to on. If you do not wish to receive a copy of client reminder emails, set notification to off. And then there's a note. Your clients can turn off their reminder emails on off by going to My Account and Meeting Reminders. What this means is if this notification, this right here, is set to on as mine is, whenever a meeting invitation goes out, I am also receiving a copy of the meeting invitation that is going out to my client. If I decide to turn this off, and this is how I do that, I'm already in edit. You simply click that and it goes to off. And you save it by clicking save. By doing that, now when I set up a meeting with my client, I will not receive a copy of that email. If what you want is for your client not to receive it, then your client needs to go into their profile and go into My Account and go into Meeting Reminder and then turn that profile off. This is also the same place where you can make changes to the actual meeting reminder or whatever invitation is going out. Now, I clicked edit again so that we can pull up the body of the email. And as you can see, I'm just scrolling through it. You can change this to say whatever you want, okay? Maybe you don't particularly care about the wording. Well, you can change the wording. What I will caution you on is here, where it says, Dear Client, and then it has the name. If you remove that, what happens is when you send out your email, it will not pull the name of your client. This is a formula that allows whatever client you are sending an email to have their name, so it personalizes the notification that they're receiving. So if this is going out to Joe Smith, it'll say Dear Joe. If it's going out to Jane McGillicuddy, it'll say Dear Jane. So that is very important that you leave that the way it is if you want to personalize the email. The same thing is for anywhere you see that $sign, the underscore, and then whatever after it. That is to pull the information from somewhere in the system so that it can personalize everything. When you get rid of those things, then your email does not go out correct. If you got rid of this after the title, it will not give the person the name, whatever's in the subject line. Here where it says coach's time zone, client's time zone, again, if you got rid of that, It won't tell you the time in the coach's time zone and in the client's time zone. So if you're going to alter this, be very careful about how you alter it and be mindful that you will want to personalize your emails so that it makes sense for your clients to receive it. All right. We're going to go back now to the um, entire list of invitations. So it is exactly the same in each one. We're going to go into the meeting reminder for 24 hours before. I click the edit button and we are in the edit. Again, it reads pretty much the same at the top. Here's your notification button if you wanted to turn that off so you're not receiving a copy. I'm not going to do that. This is the body of the email. And then whatever changes you make, if you want to save those changes, you click save. Now, if for some reason you make a mistake, you didn't want to change something, you don't know what you changed, and you don't want to make the changes, just hit cancel. And any changes that you have made will be aborted, and you can go ahead back in, click the edit button, and start all over again. I hope that you find this video tutorial helpful. I'm going to be creating more, so just send me your questions. Let me know what you need, and I'll create a tutorial for you so that you can actually see, visually how to do whatever it is that you're trying to do in Life Coach Office 2.0. I look forward to helping you all. This is Kim Horvath from Life Coach Office.